Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for GO2Bank. If you don't have a GO2Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. Once you clicked on our affiliate link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see a button that says Open an Account. Click on Open an Account. First, enter the email address you wish to use. Next, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. Then click on Get Started. Now, enter your first name and last name. Then click on Continue. On the fields provided, enter your address. Then click on the tick boxes to confirm that you agree to the Electronic Communications Agreement, Deposit Account Agreement, and Privacy Policy. And give consent to receive automated marketing calls and text messages. After that, enter your mobile phone number. Then click on Continue. A verification code will be sent to the phone number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Continue. To verify your identity, enter your date of birth and social security number. Then click on Continue. Lastly, create a password, minimum of 8 characters. Then click on Create Password. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for GO2Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.